In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom watermark in TradingView. Let's get started by opening TradingView on the Watermark Indicator page. In your browser, head over to tradingview.com/script/K3F0MV5-watermark and load the page. Once it loads, take a quick look and confirm that the page title says Watermark. Then look just below the chart preview and make sure you can see the Use On Chart button. This confirms you're on the correct indicator page and ready to continue. Now let's add the watermark indicator to a chart. Click the Use On Chart button located below the chart preview. After clicking, wait a few moments for TradingView to open a chart tab with the watermark indicator already applied to it. Once the chart appears, look at the upper left corner where the indicator legend is displayed. Confirm that watermark is listed there, which means the indicator has been successfully attached to your chart. Next, let's open the watermark settings. Move your cursor over the watermark row in the upper left indicator legend and hover on it. A small set of icons will appear next to the row. Click the settings icon on the watermark row to open the settings window. When the settings window opens, look at the tabs along the top. Click Inputs if it isn't already selected, so we can access the customization options. Now we'll customize the watermark text and placement. Click inside the watermark text field, select the existing text that's already there, and type your own watermark text. For this example, the text being used is Demo Analysis Only, so go ahead and type that in now. After entering the text, click the Position drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, select Center, which places the watermark right in the middle of your chart. Next, click the text size drop-down to choose how big the watermark should appear. From the options shown, select Large, so the watermark stands out clearly on screen. Once you've made all your selections, click the OK button at the bottom of the settings window to apply the changes. Your TradingView chart now shows your custom watermark text displayed over the chart, with the watermark indicator still listed in the indicator legend. The chart remains a normal public market chart and no broker connection or real trade action was used. Congratulations! You successfully added a custom watermark in TradingView.